Hello. Here is a special gift for who is sad today. A little bird comes singing, soft and sweet for you. Singing just for you. You don't know where he came from, but his song feels warm and true. You can hear him, even if you don't see him. He sings about the sunshine and little dreams that grow. And while you listen quietly, your heavy heart feels slow. His song wraps around your heart like warm, gentle light. And though he's flying far away, he takes the heavy feelings. His song stays in your heart, a special gift for sad days, a brand new, brighter start, and leaves you with a sparkle of hope inside. You're not alone. You never were. If you share my video, thank you so much. I will share one of yours.